up guys, how are you all? Hope you guys are safe and you are fine. So guys, as you know, I am in Heritage Village Resort. So guys, I am taking you to the organic food field. Yes, I am right, in Heritage Village Resort. I am going to take you with, first of all, take the look of that. Guys, as you see, this is the whole organic food field. Yes guys, in this resort I am very like impressed with that. Like they have much greenery which we needed for breathing, for everything, for oxygen. And as it is written right here that vegetables are grown fully organic, no use of any harmful fertilizer or harmful pesticides, only natural fertilizers and pesticides used. So guys, as you can see, it is written like this: Chinese cabbage, tomato. We will take a view of that. Let's go to the main, like around how can we like move around between that and see what we are going to do. Here we enter, and then this is the whole field. And let me introduce to the plants from starting. Like this is pokoi, like here that is written. And this is ready lettuce, and that is tomato, that is Chinese cabbage, rocket. And as you can see, this is the whole field, man. I'm very impressed with that. Everything is green right here, and this is many, like we have many varieties also. There is not like we have only one plant, we have many varieties of plants. As you can see, like leeks, like there are leeks. They are not grown yet, but they will grow. Like here, one more field. And this is spinach, which we eat. And that is radish. And this is lemon. As you can see, this is in lemon field. And like here we have grapefruits. And we have some farmers at the back, which they grow. From here we will go that side, and this is like, see, this is written grapefruit. This is the tree, like see, oh my god, the biggest one I saw. Okay, it is more upside at the tree. And here we have got farmers, and I am very impressed with you, sir. You have done a lot of hard work for this.
Uncle का interview ले ले पास बुला.
And we will like just go from right here, and we will go that side. Like as you can see, they are now also plugging. They are doing a very hard work, and I am just want to say that don't cut trees, don't harm trees, don't harm plants, which is very necessary. The plants are important for our next generation and for ourselves only. Let's go this side. Guys, they are our favorite sunflowers. Let's jump. And they have also a small garden like that. Come on. These are the small ones. They are growing, they are coming up. And these are the sunflowers, the Java plum. This is a small plant. Let's go. As you can see, like see, they are watering the plants. They are doing everything which is needed for the plant, for their growth actually. And this is a small, like this is a good way to like motivate the youth, motivate and everyone for them. And the dog barking at the back, I was scared. So this is the small pantry, and as you can see, these are like the small ones are growing right now. We have to water them, we have to save them. And as you can see, and they are like I want to send a message to you all that because of plants, there is no need like they are wasting water. They are also use the technique to save the water also. With plants, they are saving the water. So be aware of that. We have to save everything, because we also own Google, and everything would be like very rough, if we will not save water. So be aware of that. So guys, अभी मैंने आपको जो पेंट्री दिखाई थी पूरी और पूरी फील्ड दिखाई थी, तो उनके एक फार्मर है तो सबसे पहले अंकल आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम रोहतास है।
अच्छा, रोहतास। तो आप यहाँ पर हेरिटेज रिजॉर्ट में कितने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं?
17-18 साल हो गए।
17-18 years of hard work make this guys. ओके, सो ये जो फ्लावर्स आपने इतने सारे प्लांट्स किए हैं, उसके लिए मेहनत तो बहुत लगती है।
बहुत लोग करते हैं।
तो आप इसको मतलब उगाते कैसे? छोटी में आप बताइए।
पेड़ पे जमाते जी, ऐसे पेड़ बनाते हैं पहले जमीन में, वहाँ
ओके,
वहाँ बीज जमा के तब यहाँ लगाते हैं।
ठीक। तो और जैसे कि अब वहाँ पर हमने देखा कि आप पानी, अब इन सबको पानी किस तरीके से देते हैं?
पानी देते सर 4 दिन में, 5 दिन में, जैसे मिट्टी थोड़ी सूख जाती है ना,
हाँ जी,
जब देते हैं।
ठीक।
सरकारी खाद इसमें हम कोई नहीं डाल रहे, सिर्फ गोबर खाद डाल रहे हैं।
ठीक है, मतलब ऑर्गेनिक डाल रहे हैं, कोई भी केमिकल यूज नहीं हो रहा है।
कोई नहीं डाल रहे हैं।
प्लांट्स को ये सेव कर रहे हैं और पानी को भी।
जी।
तो आपका हार्ड वर्क तो बहुत है।
हाँ जी।
ठीक। तो आप मेरे को एक चीज बताइए कि जैसे कि अब ये प्लांट्स है, अब जैसे वो भी उग रहे हैं,
हाँ जी।
तो वो लीक्स थोड़ी वो कैसे उगेंगी और क्या होता है?
वो जी अपने आप ही उगेगी उसमें, मिट्टी में ही पानी देंगे, गुड़ाई खुरपी से करेंगे, ताकत पाएगी तो अपने आप।
ठीक है। और हम जैसे कि अभी मैंने देखा था कि ये पूरे रिजॉर्ट में ये बहुत ही ग्रीनरी ज्यादा है, तो जैसे कि अभी ये प्लांट सब है और यहाँ पर जैसे कि बहुत सारी वैरायटी भी है, ये नहीं कि एक ही उगाया जा रहा है,
बहुत वैरायटी है।
ठीक। तो आप पानी की बचत भी जरूर करते होंगे, क्योंकि पानी भी बहुत जरूरी है।
बहुत जरूरी है
और इनकी वजह से हमको ऑक्सीजन मिलता है। तो आई होप यू लाइक माई ब्लॉग, एंड इफ यू लाइक इट प्लीज लीव अ बिग थम्स अप एंड कमेंट डाउन हाउ वाज इट, एंड प्लीज सेव प्लांट्स, सेव वाटर। It's very important, it's necessary for our lives and for the upcoming generation. And just want to say, if you like it, leave a big thumb, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shpreet Singh. I'm a YouTuber and a blogger. So thank you all for watching this video and love you all.